We are in Antigua, and it's so pretty. I'm so shocked. Our hostel is so pretty. It's so pretty. And like the breakfast was so good, and it's so cheap, and the beds were so nice. I'm literally so sad that we are here. I know. Only for one day.
There's freaking British people.
I know. I told Anna there was gonna be British people. I'm back in Costa Rica.
I didn't believe
No big deal, but it's so pretty. We're trying to find Claro. Not working so well. The view. Here's Anna. It's so pretty. We are going to the arch. We are tourists. It's so pretty. Yay.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope so. It's so pretty. We have made it to the viewpoint. It's so pretty. I literally can't. What do you have to say about this, Anna?
Beautiful. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 watermelons, 100%.
10 out of 10 watermelons, 10 out of 10
Oh, there's the arch.
10 out of 10 lily koi.
Oh my god, lily koi. What is it? Maracuya? Pacha.
It was Bacha or Pacha?
Pacha. I think it was Pacha.
Pacha.
Here's the arch. Oh, that's so cool looking. Some pretty yellow buildings. You know you love my close-ups. Whoever's watching this.
There's one I really
The view. Anna, how are we feeling?
I'm not feeling too good.
We're so hungry. We were in a meeting for like an hour and a half, and we just were running around getting groceries, go to the ATM, schedule our shuttle. We're so productive. But this day was so good. I really like Antigua. I literally love it. It's my favorite place I've ever been, I think. No big deal. But it's like I'm so hungry now that I'm like just kind of pissed off.
We're kind of like food coma before the food.
I'm excited for my shrimp burrito with mozzarella. Fuck veganism right now.
I don't know really what I ordered, but it sounded good in Spanish, so I got it.
It's gonna be good in English too. So we got a crazy hike tomorrow. Right? It's gonna be a 5.5-hour hike, likely.
Up, only up.
Yeah.
3,000
Yeah, we'll
feet of elevation gain. Maddie's excited.
I'm just hungry.
I'm gonna die.
But I think it's gonna be so worth it. I really like Guatemala so far. 10 out of 10 watermelons. Today I got called a travel woman. So we're waking up at 3:15 to see the sunrise. That's gonna be a long day. Then we hike down and then we get on a shuttle to go to San Pedro, which apparently is a very bumpy ride.
We're gonna be so grumpy for the next 48 hours.
We're ready. Oh dear. Wow. Yeah guys, we're gonna go up onto the mountain.
You don't hear from us in.
Anna, how do we feel?
Okay.
I lasted 10 minutes until I needed to get a porter. No big deal.
I had a porter from the start.
I should have done that. We are through the hardest part. Oh, it's like an egg. Oh, that's so pretty though.
We're through the farmland. Hardest part. Whoa. Oh my god, I'm so pale.
I don't think you're pale.
Do I look pale?
I think it's an illusion.
Update. Hello. We are in the cloud forest. I gotta get gauntlet.
Where I live,
I actually am vaccinated, so don't worry. I guess the oxygen level
they usually just have like a little.
It's the altitude, guys. It's the
jogging down.
altitude. You're one of the people asking for diuretic pills. I was confused
supposed
about
to be on
that.
the trails.
I think he's gonna shit himself.
How do you feel now? It's just gonna be updates of like the same thing every single time.
Hello.
It's so pretty, the clouds are like
Just started out. Honestly felt worse at the beginning. Now I feel like a solid 6 out of 10 watermelons.
You drop your money.
oh no.
Not too bad, not too bad.
But we're almost like out of the bad parts. We're almost out of the bad parts.
I have never walked more slow in my entire life.
Anna, how do you feel? She just arrived.
Sweaty,
We did the hardest part.
but it's so good. Now it's lunchtime.
I actually was the first one to get up here, not trying to brag. Document that. Maddie, feel proud of yourself.
You guys can put your... Good job. Yeah. Bonfire. Bonfires tonight.
There's a volcano, but you can't see it.
And then there's one over there too.
Oh, I guess there is one over there. You can kind of see the peak. But the clouds look insane. Like, we're at the same level as them. We're higher than them. We're higher than the clouds. We are actually young, wild, and free. No big deal. No big deal.
Rice, peanut butter, chocolate spread.
It's cold up here. Oh my god, your eyes are so pretty. Thank you. Sorry, yours. All eyes are pretty. Look at my hands though. My hands are really pretty.
Yeah, no fingers, no big deal. Wait, Maddie is drinking some vino. It's hot chocolate. My hiking thing's on my hands. I can't talk. She's wearing hiking socks on her hands, folks. If you didn't catch that. This is our fire. As well as some other people. These are our fits. I'll see you soon. These are where we're sleeping. We're sleeping in that one. And then a volcano's over there. And then there's a volcano over there that's like erupting a lot. So we're not sure if that was thunder or it was volcano, but I'm gonna have hot chocolate soon. This day was like a 10 out of 10, but we're gonna hike tomorrow at like 3 a.m. And then I carried those things up, the Nutella and the jam, so they're technically mine. I'm worried that people are like staring at me. Everybody, let's go around the circle. What makes you happy in this world? What makes you feel at home? What makes you feel at home? Let's go around the circle. Okay, I guess no one wants to talk. If Lucy and Morgan are watching this, I am you. And you are me. They're definitely not watching. Well, that's not true friendship. I watch Maddie's vlogs sometimes. That's crazy. You look so confused. I like being confused. Oh. Wow! These are the volcanoes. These are the volcanoes. This is us.
Now, there is not good medication and all that because they take all the money. And for un poco de vino o algo así, estar un poco relajado, sí, pero luego cuando decimos, bueno, a dormir, pero tenemos muchas plataformas, Sí, ya se ve la lava, lava.
No?
It was at the very beginning.
Yeah, you can still see the
Oh my
red
god,
and lava.
that was insane to be happening.
If we put a bomb, we could have been that close and seen it.
Mira. You know, I buy.
Yes! Wow.
Wow.
Holy crap. Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
Oh my god.
It's rolling towards them.
Oh my god. Whoa. Your camera died at the wrong. I know, right when my camera died. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. No, I see.
Yeah.
Damn it.
There's more, look. There's more lava. Whoa. It's still going.
Whoa. Still need to turn off the light.
Yeah, it's the Grand Valley for tonight. Wow, look, it's still coming out. Look at that soup.
Whoa.
Wait, Mom, did it erupt on the volcano in Costa Rica? Did that one erupt at all?
woke up at 3:15 this morning and hiked.
It was so
It was really hard. I didn't realize it was gonna be that hard. We literally climbed a mountain and we had no idea we were doing that.
I know. It was literally like so painful. It felt like we were climbing in snow.
Yeah.
And then it basically was like that because we got frosty.
And then we come back and we ate some bagels.
And banana bread.
Now we have to hike down soon
And then we take a shuttle
to Acatenango.
Lake Acatenango.